Good day, everyone. This is Video Fashion, and you're welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and share, and please like my channel as well. Today we'll be discussing the types of machine you need for your Python business, their prices and their function. Now, you need industrial sewing machine just like this. This is a Bright brand. The brand name of this is Bright. We have other brands like Email, Jukai, Juki, Singer. They vary, so you can buy anyone that you can afford. And it's a straight sewing machine. On it here. The reason why I'm using a different color is because I want you to see it very well. And you can change the tension here depending on how tiny you want your seam to be. It's gather sewing. The prices varies, but you can get like this Bright product. Now you can get it like 120, 130, depending on dollar is increasing, so the dollar rate is increasing, so you can get it at that rate like 120, 130. But other brands, we have Email. Those ones are very expensive. It's your choice depending on how much you have in your pocket. This is the industrial weaving machine. This is Jukai product, and it uses electricity. So it's using 3 threads too. We have different types of these as well. We have 2 Lion, Citizen, we have Email, we have Singer. They vary. So you can get anyone according to your capacity, depending on how financially buoyant you are. So you can see it work. It's mostly used for outside sewing, outside weaving rather. There's one we use for inner, so this one is outside weaving. And the prices varies. Currently the price goes for like 150, 160,000, but it depends on the brand anymore. This is a mini computer machine. You can use it for buttonhole, straight sewing, zigzag. It has many functions. This is the zigzag. You can use it for design. You can do buttonholes as well. It can do normal straight sewing. You can get it at the rate of like 70,000, 60,000. Depends on the brand. We have different brands for this machine. This one uses your energy. You just match the feather. So, and you can get it at the rate of 60. Dollar is now very high, so you can get it 50, 60,000 naira. And it has different brands too as well. Just like the manual weaving machine. Like I said the other time, I told you that the industrial I first showed you is used for outside weaving. So you can use this one for the inner weaving, and you can get it at the price at the rate of 50,000, 45, depending on the brand. The only machine is a steam press, so we use it for warming stone. And you can get this for like 110, 120. So it varies in brand as well. So this product is 2 Lion. And you will need iron too. You will need iron for ironing your fabrics so as to give it good finished work. So these are the major machines that you need for your fashion business. But if you have more than enough, you can get other ones as well. Thank you.